Welcome to our video on Chat GPT, a powerful language model developed by OpenAI. Language models are machine learning models that are trained to predict the likelihood of a sequence of words. They are used for a wide range of tasks such as language translation, language generation, and language understanding. In this video, we'll be discussing Chat GPT, a variant of the GPT-3 language model that is specifically designed for conversational AI applications. We'll talk about what Chat GPT is, its key features, and how you can use it in your own projects. Stay tuned to learn more about this exciting tool. What is Chat GPT? Chat GPT is a variant of the GPT-3 language model that is specifically designed for conversational AI applications, such as chatbots and virtual assistants. It is able to understand and respond to natural language input, allowing users to have a conversation with it, just as they would with a human. One of the key differences between Chat GPT and other language models is its focus on conversation. While other language models may be trained on a wide range of texts, Chat GPT is specifically trained to understand and generate text in the context of a conversation. This makes it particularly well-suited for chatbot and virtual assistant applications, where the ability to have a natural conversation is critical. In addition to its focus on conversation, Chat GPT also has the ability to learn from its interactions with users. As it talks to more and more people, it will continue to improve its understanding of language and its ability to generate appropriate responses. This makes it a powerful tool that can become more effective over time, providing a better user experience for your customers or clients. Key features of Chat GPT. Some key features of Chat GPT include natural language understanding and conversation-focused ability to learn from interactions with users, wide range of applications including chatbots and virtual assistants, easy integration using the API. Use cases for Chat GPT. There are a number of ways that Chat GPT can be used in real-world applications. Some possible use cases for Chat GPT include chatbots for customer service. Chat GPT can be used to build chatbots that can assist customers with inquiries or provide information about products or services. Virtual assistants. Chat GPT can be used to create virtual assistants that can help users with tasks such as setting reminders, booking appointments, or finding information. Language generation. Chat GPT can be used for language generation tasks, such as creating content for social media or generating responses to customer inquiries. Language translation. Chat GPT can be used to build language translation systems that can translate text from one language to another. Language understanding. Chat GPT can be used to build systems that can understand and interpret natural language input, such as voice commands or written text. Overall, Chat GPT is a versatile tool that can be used for a wide range of language-related tasks, making it a valuable tool for businesses, organizations, and individuals alike. How to get started with Chat GPT. To get started with Chat GPT, sign up for an account with OpenAI and obtain an API key. Decide how you want to use Chat GPT. Integrate Chat GPT into your application using the API. Test and refine your integration. Overall, getting started with Chat GPT is a relatively straightforward process that should only take a few steps. With the right tools and resources, you can quickly and easily add powerful conversational AI capabilities to your application. Conclusion. In conclusion, Chat GPT is a powerful language model that is well-suited for conversational AI applications. Its ability to understand and respond to natural language input, as well as its ability to learn from its interactions, make it a valuable tool for a wide range of tasks. Whether you're building a chatbot for customer service, creating a virtual assistant, or generating content for social media, Chat GPT can help you achieve your goals. With its easy integration and versatile capabilities, Chat GPT is a tool that is worth exploring if you're interested in adding powerful conversational AI capabilities to your application. We hope you found this video on Chat GPT helpful and encourage you to try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest and greatest in artificial intelligence.